Oh.
Good morning, idiot. Happy 5 years to us.
Happy 5 years और 5 साल तुम्हें झेलने के.
Shut up.
Well, I think we should rephrase that to happy 5 years of being with the greatest man you have ever met. Wait a minute. उल्टा रखा है.
How is it?
Well, now I know why I stuck around for 5 years.
Fuck off. Son, मैं सोच रही थी,
क्या?
let's go for a late lunch. Maybe after we can watch the sunset together.
Well, I think I know just the place for that.
Oh wow! Sid is finally putting some thought into our relationship, huh?
Well, on second thought,
Eh?
might be reconsidering.
The pancake or the relationship?
तू बता.
Thank you.
So, are we going to try something new today? Yeah, वही same old. Scan the menu for 15 minutes and order the exact same dish.
I don't know. I'll think about it. But it is a bit of a cliche, huh? Coming to the place where we had our first date. I thought we would try somewhere new.
मतलब वही same पुरानी dish. And it's not cliche. I prefer the term romantic.
Oh, please. तू or romantic.
हाँ.
By the way, कल family dinner. You're coming, right? What?
Well, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कल तू family dinner पे जाने वाली है.
ऐसा क्यों?
Well, little bit of suspense, little bit of mystery is always good in life, no?
Not really, but okay, Sherlock. We'll see what you're hiding. तुझे वो अंकल याद है जो हमेशा तुझे रोबोट बुलाते थे?
Robot.
Yeah, like expressionless face. Can I ever tell what you're thinking?
वो विघ्नेश अंकल. अबे उस बुड्ढे को जाके बोल that I've come a long way from being an expressionless robot.
Ah, okay. I'm just saying he's also coming. Are you sure you can't make it?
Positive. मैं भी नहीं और तू भी नहीं.
Hi, good evening. I am Tejas. I'll be your waiter for today. Have you all decided what you want to order?
Well, not yet, but what would you recommend?
Well, full disclosure, it's only my second day on the job.
कोई बात नहीं. But I'm guessing that you're an actor.
What gave me away?
Well, honestly, I saw you practicing your lines near the bar जब हम enter किए थे, so.
I'm just waiting for my next gig to start.
Oh, अच्छा, nice. What's it about?
It's a tragic romance drama. Really pulls on your heartstrings. It's. But enough from me. I don't want to be a bother to you lovely folks.
Right. So, I'll have the pasta then.
Red or white?
Well, red has always been my favorite color.
And for you, ma'am?
Well, ma'am here has a whole ritual which she very religiously follows. First, she'll take the menu. 15 मिनट के लिए हर डिश का छोटा छोटा डिटेल एंड रेसिपी को स्कैन करेगी एंड आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ थॉट इनटू इट शी इज गोना ऑर्डर द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग व्हिच आई ऑर्डर्ड सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू रिपीट माय ऑर्डर
Yeah, he gets a million things wrong, but this he got right. I will take the same. Also, I noticed your washroom is under renovation. Just tell me where I can go.
Hi, yeah, please follow me on.
Yeah.
हेलो आदि।
क्या बे कमीने, कितनी देर बाद फोन किया तूने?
अबे 2 घंटे पहले ही तो किया था तुझे।
हाउ इज द डेट गोइंग?
गोइंग गुड यार। अच्छा तू मुझे ये बता, काम चालू हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
हाफ डन मालिक, शुड बी ओवर इन सम टाइम।
चल बढ़िया। अच्छा ऑल्सो वांटेड टू कंफर्म वंस अगेन कि इट्स ओके ना इफ लिश मिसेस योर फैमिली डिनर।
हाँ हाँ, माँ को पता है यार कि तुम दोनों वैसे भी नहीं आ रहे हो।
परफेक्ट, ठीक है। अच्छा एंड चल देन आई विल कॉल यू वंस वी लीव, या फिर अगर तेरा काम पहले खत्म हो गया तो तू मुझे कॉल कर लियो, ठीक है? ओके।
सिट सुन।
हाँ बोल, क्या हुआ?
फॉर व्हाट इट्स वर्थ मैन, आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि यू ऑल पैच थिंग्स अप। द पास्ट few weeks with all those constant fights and all यार, I could not bear to see one like that. It was tearing me apart bro.
भाई अब तो हवाई की टिकट्स भी बुक हो गई है। अगर अब पैचअप नहीं हुआ तो फिर भगवान ही बचा सकता है।
लगता है मुझे भी तेरे साथ झगड़े करने पड़ेंगे। क्या पता एलए बैंकॉक की कहीं ट्रिप मिल जाए मुझे भी।
मेरे पास भी यहाँ कुछ पड़ा है जो तेरे कहाँ कहाँ ट्रिप लेगा ना, तुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा।
किंकी बन रहा है?
चल ठीक है, रखता हूँ मैं। अच्छा तेजस, listen, I know it's a little last minute, but can you please arrange for a cake to be sent to this table at exactly 5 p.m. and it should say Hawaii 2025.
Hello? You are finally sending that wine bottle over? I mean, technically it's not in the UK yet, but it is my 5th anniversary today. What? Oh my god, wait, what? Uh, yeah, you'll get your $10 as soon as you send me my wine bottle, okay? Okay, bye.
आपने हवाई सरप्राइज प्लान किया है?
Yeah.
You sure are a romantic. 6 साल की रिलेशनशिप में मैं उसे बस लोनावला ले जा पाया।
लोनावला। अच्छा quick, वो आ रही है, so let's pretend we were talking about something else.
So no olives in both the plates, right?
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Tejas. ऐसे क्या देख रही है? Wondering if I'm a robot?
I wasn't going to do this today, but
Oh.
shut up. I was thinking, how long have we been in love? 6,
7
7
years.
years. Yeah.
7 years.
So we've been together for almost half a decade now, right?
हाँ मतलब पहले 5 साल प्यार और उसके पहले के 2 साल की ये कौन चूतिया कराते रहता है?
Sid, come on. I'm being serious.
अरे so am I.
Okay, tell me one thing.
Hmm.
Don't you think it's time?
Time for what exactly?
Why haven't you proposed to me yet?
See, Lish, we've been over this multiple times. I don't know कि मैं और तुझे कैसे समझाऊं कि yes, I love you and I do want to spend the rest of my life with you. But I just don't want to get married.
How does that work, Sid? You want to spend the rest of your life with me, but you don't want to marry me. You always say ना, जब वक्त आएगा तब देखेंगे. But time आ गया है, Sid.
Yeah, Lish, please, I really don't see the point of this discussion now. ऐसे
But
Sir.
Anything to drink? You know what? I'll have a JD on the rock. Breakfast. Excellent juice. And for your wife?
I don't want it right now. Thank you. शादी नहीं करनी.
यार तू मुझे बता कि ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है कि अगर 5 साल तक एक रिलेशनशिप में रहते हो तो सीधा शादी?
It keeps me up at night, Sid, pondering why you haven't asked me yet.
रब्बा फिर से. अच्छा you tell me, what is your idea of marriage? बता.
It's about love, right?
It's never about love. It's always been a business.
Don't
transaction.
interrupt me. It's about love. About an unbreakable bond where two people choose to come
And
together.
yes, we do have that bond. बस मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता कि उस बॉन्ड को दिखाने के लिए why do we have to waste an entire fortune on a grand huge event और बस लोगों को बताने के लिए कि हाँ जी हम एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं ऑलरेडी साथ में तो रह ही रहे हैं बस ये आपको बताना चाहते हैं गवर्नमेंट का लीगल अप्रूवल लेना चाहते हैं ऑब्वियसली
You know what you sound like right now?
Don't call
a
me a-
cynical nut job, Sid. Conspiracy theorist, afraid of
कम
commitment.
ऑन यार ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज कि शादी ना बस एक लेबल है दैट्स इट
No, Sid. No.
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बता हमें अपना प्यार प्रूव करने के लिए किसी लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट की जरूरत है क्या
How should I know it's serious then?
She did not just say how do you know it's serious.
Yes, Sid. शादी सिर्फ एक document नहीं है. It's a sacred tradition. It's been a part of human culture for centuries. I am 25. Okay, my friends are getting engaged. They're getting married. They're building their lives.
अच्छा, so that's what it's about. Peer pressure ना मतलब बाकी सारे शादी कर रहे हैं तो हमें भी शादी करनी पड़ेगी.
सब अपनी life में आगे बढ़ रही है, and I'm just stuck in this limbo with you.
Baby, let's get real. You know, there's a very good chance that there is no happily ever after. A very tiny fraction of the population gets that. Like, we don't always find them, and even if people do, they don't always last.
Okay. तो मतलब you have no faith in our happily ever
Arey,
after?
I do. You know I do. But what if we wake up one day and can't stand the sight of each other?
Okay, well, I can't stand the sight of you right now, but I'm sitting here.
God forbid, if we ever reach there, I don't want us to sit down with a bunch of lawyers, file for a divorce, and get into all that legal ugliness. तू जानती है ना कि मेरे मॉम डैड के साथ क्या हुआ था परफेक्ट मैरिज फाइनेंशियली कंफर्टेबल मैं आया और फिर शादी के 18 साल के बाद ये सारी चीटें होनी चाहता मतलब प्यार झट से ही खत्म हो गया
Wow, Sid. Wow. If only you put this much effort into commitment than you do into all this pointless overthinking. Just say it, Sid. Say that you're afraid of commitment. Say it.
Here's your drink.
I'll have one more.
You know what? Get me a wine too. Bring me your most expensive one. You're paying.
Then I'll surprise you with one of our best.
अच्छा चल एक बात बता एक रात में इतने पैसे क्यों उड़ाना है 2 हफ्ते हैं ना हवाई में आराम से उड़ाइयो
Wait, तूने हवाई की tickets book की?
हाँ
Sid, for when?
we leave tonight अब बोल would a cynical nut job do something so romantic
Sid, oh my God, there's so much packing to do. काम से छुट्टी भी लेनी पड़ेगी. I have to tell mom that
all taken care of
you spoke to my boss.
yeah
Fuck, I'm still getting fired.
I had to give her a hard sell but तू तो जानती है कि इस चार्म को resist करना impossible है especially for the ladies
Sid, yeah, there's so much packing to do. मामा को भी बताना पड़ेगा dinner के बारे
Adi
में.
is
Have to.
taking care of it as we speak
You also spoke to Adi.
हाँ उसने तेरी मॉम से बात करी I think we should just take a minute, cool off. Let's go to Hawaii. We'll have wine, looking at the stars on the green sands of Mahana Beach.
Green sands.
हाँ, Mahana Beach is a popular tourist destination with green
अच्छा.
sands deposited from the
Okay, Mr. Know-it-all, चुप कर. Hey.
Like से जाना ऐसे नहीं जाना.
चलो, let's go get drinks.
चलो
चलो,
चलो.
चलो.
एक सेकंड. ड्रिंक लेने से पहले ड्रिंक निकालना भी पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, okay. नहीं, yeah, okay.
Refill?
Oh, couldn't wait for me, na?
You were one drink ahead. So I had to catch up.
तेजस जी मेरी भी ड्रिंक ले ही आओ.
Of course, sir.
Here you wine for whiskey for me.
I thought.
To having faith.
और वैसे भी यार बच्चे करने के लिए शादी किसको करनी है?
I don't want kids.
What?
Yeah, I mean, how many times do I have to say it before you believe me?
तो तुम्हें शादी क्यों करनी है?
अरे लोग सिर्फ बच्चे करने के लिए शादी नहीं करते सिर्फ. मैंने अपने शादी के लिए बहुत बड़े सपने देखे and I don't want anything to crush it.
I never thought that you're completely against having children.
Yeah, so I guess I lied.
अरे बच्चे नहीं करने का क्या पॉसिबल रीजन हो सकता है अलीशा तुम्हारे पास? एंड प्लीज अपने पास्ट के एक्सक्यूजेस मत देना मुझे.
Excuse. Wow. Unfucking believable, Sid. Yeah, I'll carry the baby for 9 months, grow the human, have it tear out of me to bring it open into the world. Sounds like a fucking dream, right, Sid? It's easy to want kids when you're not the one that has to go through it.
Have you even thought about it? हाँ? यार आजकल कितने नए-नए तरीके आ गए to make it less painful and medical science has come a long way, you know that.
Have I thought about it? Of course I've thought about it, Sid. I'm a woman in my mid-20s. कैसे नहीं सोचूं इस बारे में? Huh? And it's the one question the world never stops asking us. हम ready हो या नहीं, whether we want it या नहीं. तो हाँ, Sid, I've thought about it more than you ever will. And by the way, don't get me started on financials, okay? अभी तो हम बहुत comfortably जी रहे हैं, but सब बदल जाएगा, okay? We'll have to cut a lot of corners. So this fancy wine, expensive dinners, impromptu trips to Hawaii, gone. Have you thought about it, Sid? Are you willing to make these kind of sacrifices?
Anisha, look. We don't have to worry about that. I promise. यार तू डॉक्टर बन रही है in a few years you'll be minting money. मेरे पास भी कुछ पैसे पड़े हैं to start my own firm. I know the right contacts as well. I'll do bigger and better events ताकि मैं इतना पैसा कमा लूं कि
क्या,
बच्चे.
Sid? क्या? You'll be absent in the most formative part of our child's life because you'll be a burnout. I'll have to bring it up alone. My dad did that, Sid.
And
okay?
you turned out just fine.
That's because me and Adi basically raised each other, okay? And mom also did a good job. Dad never did. And I'll never forgive him for that. Besides, it's too much to be responsible for an entire human life, dude. Knowing how easily it messes up, I'm not.
Firstly, I'm not gonna be a fucking burnout, okay? And secondly, if you let me complete, I was gonna say that I'll earn bank before the baby comes, okay? Before.
हाँ, life तो इतना convenient है ना सिर्फ. सब तुम्हारे हिसाब से चलेगा. It's good to see how much of an optimist you are, but when it comes to anything else, you are the biggest fucking cynic I know.
Oh, you're calling me a cynic?
Yeah.
Me? For all the shit you've given me about overthinking, worrying about the future, तू क्या कर रही है? तू भी तो यही सोच रही है ना that you'll be a terrible mom and destroy a child's future? इतनी insecure क्यों है तू?
Sid, you have no fucking idea what it feels like growing with an alcoholic and abusive father, okay?
Look, I'm sorry.
Having to beg your mom not to send you back to the UK, and even when you come back here, she's fainting, collapsing, taking pills to go into work like it's a regular fucking occurrence. You have no idea what it does to a kid, Sid, okay?
Look, I'm really sorry, Risha. I didn't mean to say that. And hey, look at me. Despite what you may believe, I'm not a cynic. I'm just a realist.
You sound so dumb right now. It's actually pissing me off.
Dumb. तू डम होने की बात कर रही? तू जो इंस्टाग्राम पे अपने ठरकी स्टॉकर फॉलोअर्स को मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ सिखाना चाहती है.
मेरे followers
Shut up,
हैं-
let me finish. I'm going to tell you the actual meaning of life. Our one and only purpose in life and on this fucking planet is to make sure that our race doesn't go extinct. Nothing more, nothing less. और इस बीच में हम जो कुछ भी करते हैं ना हमारी खुद के एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए होता है.
Okay, Sid, you do realize that we're not living in the Stone Age, right? I mean, we're not exactly short on people. If anything, it's overcrowded, especially India mein. There are millions of kids who already exist waiting. Sid, Why bring more into the world when so many are waiting to be loved?
Vish, I want a kid. My kid. Our kid. Just imagine a kid with our genes. Or rather, twins with our genes. One boy, one girl. I don't know what to say, Lish, but it's the gift of life. और जब वो छोटी उंगलियां तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ेंगी ना, तेरा सारा डर निकल जाएगा यार. And trust me, it'll all make sense. I've always wanted to be a father, Lish. Please don't take that away from me. I'll marry you. Yes, yes, if that what it takes to start a family with you, then I'm all in, Lish. You just please, Lish. Please.
Sorry, Sid. I wish the situation was different, but I've already made my mind up. There is no amount of love or time that can change that. I never want that life.
How do you know that?
Sid, मैं अपने आप को जानती हूँ. This isn't something that time will fix. Not in a year, not in 10.
Just please listen to me. Just listen for once.
I think it's time.
For what?
Time for this to end. We can't drag this out any longer, Sid. And if today has proved anything, it's that we both want completely different things from life.
अलीशा मैं तुझसे शादी कर लूंगा. तू जो कहेगी मैं करूंगा. बस मुझे छोड़ के मत जा यार. Lish, I've been in love with you since I was 18. For 2 years, I slowly fell in love with you day by day, little by little. And when we finally started dating, I'd quite literally never been happier.
Me too, Sid. Me too. Somehow you went from being Adi's best friend to someone I would move mountains for. Someone who made me feel like my dreams were coming true.
Lish, just what if one day you wake up and you realize कि तुम्हें बच्चे चाहिए? I can't bear to imagine seeing the eyes of the woman I love in another man's child.
Can't believe it. तुम अभी भी हमारे फ्यूचर के बारे में ओवरथिंक कर रहे हो and we're not even together.
फाइनल ट्राई करते हैं ना. शायद हम अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं.
Sid,
Maybe
Sid,
I'll change
Sid,
my mind
Sid.
about kids.
Sid, darling. Let's not do that. I love you more than you can possibly imagine, okay? But I can't have your children. And I wish that love was enough. क्योंकि अगर होता, then I would not be the one walking away. I wish I could give you the life you want, Sid, but if I can't, then someone else can. I hope she can. I hope she can give you those twins. And I hope one day your little girl pulls at your sleeve and your little boy climbs into your arms. And in that moment, Sid, you remember me. Not with pain, but with peace. I hope they can heal the part of you that I never could. Goodbye, Sid.
भाई सारा काम हो गया है, ठीक है? बस अब ना मैं ये कैंडल जला रहा हूँ। तो तू एक काम करना, कैंडल्स बुझ जाए उससे पहले प्लीज आ जाना मेरे भाई, ठीक है? से
हाँ हाँ थैंक्स भाई थैंक्स
भाई इतना लो क्यों साउंड कर रहा है? यार तू टेल मी यार, चेल्सी लॉस्ट अगेन यार, वो सीजन ही खराब चल रहा है, तो छोड़ ना ये सब बातें। से कुछ बोलेगा अभी? ब्रेकअप हो गया क्या?
हाँ भाई यार थोड़ा नेटवर्क खराब है मैं तुझे करता हूँ थोड़ी देर में बट थैंक यू आदि थैंक
Sir? 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 मुझे लगा अच्छा टिप मिलेगा, but here you are leaving without paying the bill. You'll be driving? I'll make you a coffee then. On the house. I couldn't help but overhear chunks of your conversation. Not going to Hawaii, I'm guessing. How are you feeling?
like I'm drowning in an indescribable emptiness and I can't stop sinking
May I offer you a word of advice?
please go ahead
You see, being a cynic is like betting against yourself. The more you think of a bad thing happening, higher are the chances of it happening. If you spend your whole life expecting the worst case scenario, then I can't imagine you getting anything much better.
oh, please no जानता हूँ
I can see why she called you a know-it-all. I will tell you something you don't know though.
please enlighten
So your friends and family may tell you that you're still young, you'll find someone else. But take it from me. Growing up, we all think we are going to connect with a lot of people, but it only really happens a handful of times. And that too if you have insane luck.
आपको क्या लगता है मैं जानता नहीं please continue
For most of us, it's just that one person, and everyone else is just there to try and fill the hole they left behind.
you call me a cynic तो सर प्लीज अपने स्क्रिप्ट के डायलॉग्स मुझ पे मत मारो
Okay, picture this. Decades from now, your kid asks you, Dad, what's love? And without thinking, the first person that comes to your mind is her. Not the woman beside you. The one who left today. She'll be like a language you're no longer fluent in, but still remember how to read. You see, when two people fall in love, the only way that love lasts is if both sides make compromises. Both sides are ready to make life-altering sacrifices. This would just be another fight that you guys had. And we'll look back at in retrospect, think how silly it all was. Maybe you never speak to each other again. Maybe you can convince her to adopt. Maybe she agrees to a small-scale wedding, just maybe.
just maybe
So how about seeing the silver lining for once?
well तेजस्वी I really hope कि आप एक बहुत बहुत सक्सेसफुल actor bano or whatever you want to become.
Rap?
Yeah, always.
The way I see it, this is all just a story I'll be telling on a talk show in a few years. Bill? So I'm going to assume that you guys got back together. Drive safe.
Wearing red. Bit of a cliche, no?
I prefer the term romantic.
You do so much for me.
इसका credit मुझे नहीं देना, आदि को देना. I just wore your favorite dress. The rest is all you. Remember? Listen, I'm sorry for being a bitch because I didn't want to get married.
I was being an asshole because I made a big deal out of marriage. अरे कौन सा इंसान बिना बच्चे के शादी करना चाहता है यार?
Family start नहीं करनी तो शादी करने का क्या point है? It really is just a label then.
You know what? Let's get married next year. I'll go tomorrow only, buy a ring, propose to you on my knees and all.
Oh,
Yes.
so finally, you'll be the one getting down on your knees then. Since we're getting married, why don't we start trying on the Hawaii trip then?
I wish, but there's just a tiny bit of a problem. I don't want to cut corners as of now. थोड़े और पैसे कमाने हैं before the baby arrives.
Okay. अगर मैं तुम्हें ये कहूँ कि a very rich aunt of mine has passed away and left a fortune behind, then
What kind of a fortune? Then I say we should start trying right now.